Good morning. It is Sunday the 2nd of November and we are off to Brands Hatch to watch truck racing and fireworks, and we have Ben's Travels with us today, so we're going to do some videoing together. And then also we have Ben's Travels dad, Dave. So yeah, and as you can see the weather is pretty atrocious, but that's going to make the truck racing even more interesting. So we're going to be expecting lots of thrills and spills and crashes, and then the fireworks will be later on this evening, obviously. Hopefully they've covered them up so they don't get all wet. Oh, I don't like it. It's properly wet this morning. Okay, so we'll catch up with you when we're at the track. Okay, so we have arrived in the car park and it is muddy. So hopefully we won't get stuck getting out. Came here a couple of years ago and it was proper slippery. Now even I do have a Range Rover. It was so, because the car's so heavy, you just get on one of these little slopes and it just slides. So it is fun getting out of here. Was hopefully going to bring the truck, but it's been a problem with the MOT on that. So anyway, but everyone's going in. It's about, what time is it? About 10ish? Quarter past 10. Going to go in, get something to eat probably because we haven't had any breakfast, and then wander around and watch loads of lorries crash into each other. See you all again in a bit. Yeah, this is where we nearly got stuck. Well, not stuck, but this is where we were sliding. So we had to come down this track here, and then the Range Rover was just sliding in all the ruts. And then you have to come down here and then do like a 45-degree turn just here, around there, to get out. And there was a lot of people slipping and sliding everywhere. Yeah, so we had to go out up there. I was guessing we'll probably have to do something, but you can see how many cars there are here already. So the car park we were in was just filling up. So that's full. That would have been a better car park to go in actually, because that would have been easier to get out of. But we can already hear things. All right, so we're in. These are all the trucks that are on display, and then obviously the track is over there. So we're going to go over. There's all these. These are all like the show trucks. So we'll have a look around these, and then we'll go and have a look at the racing. I think there was a race started one there a minute ago, and then it's obviously stopped for some reason. So I'm guessing someone crashed already. But there's various different. What's on first then? Jonathan Palmer, he's the owner. Right, okay, so Track Actions Racing Club. So the actual truck racing starts at, I don't know if you can zoom in on 10:40, so very short, 10 minutes. So can have a quick look at all the trucks. Oh yeah, look. So, and then quick look at all the trucks, and then we'll have watch some of the racing. I've already spied a Transit with some Bentley wheels on it. That's pretty cool. Over there. Right. Look at some trucks. Oh, and there's Ben. There's your fast lane fast food. Oh, what's in the circus tent then?
They're playing the cars.
Huh?
They're playing Frozen and Cars in there.
Oh, okay, so they're
Yeah,
playing
look,
Frozen
these-
and Cars in that marquee over there.
Right. I don't think they're open yet, darling.
Yeah, no, you're a chicken or not.
You've been there?
Where am I looking? I'll escape from Alcatraz, yeah.
I like these little things.
Where it's got...
Yeah, been there.
We'll
Alcatraz.
go on one of them.
It's like a little maze, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll do that, don't worry. Once it opens, we'll come back and do it. Yeah, we can reenact Greece instead of one of those, isn't it?
That starts early next week. Should have been. Well, I'm sure you can early at the minute.
So what, sorry? Yeah, well, let's just go up there and grab some food now before there's a massive queue. So just do a turn up there. Right, we're going to go and grab some food and then we come back to the trucks. So they've got a food court sort of thing up here, but they also sell food at the Kentigan Centre. Kentigan? Yeah, Kentigan Centre. And down at the bottom of the track as well, which name escapes me.
Over 80.
So this is where we had where at Speedfest, this is where they had the country festival thing here back in the summer.
Oh yeah!
Wow.
Well, yeah, there's the mini monster trucks over there. They're all over there. Right, let's go and get something to eat and be completely ripped off. That's the only problem with these places. This fucking food's so expensive. Anyway, it is what it is. Should have brought sandwiches. So they're more. So we've just bypassed a bit of that, obviously, because we went to look at the monster trucks. And more show trucks. These are all massive recovery firm. And then there's obviously things to purchase. Alright, so we decided to give the burgers a miss because they're just ridiculously expensive. So we're going to have a wander over to the Kentigan Centre because I imagine they're doing food and stuff in there. You can actually sit down as well. This is also where they're doing the monster truck rides. That's the layout of the track, but they won't be using the whole track today. They'll just use the Indy circuit. So that's the little mini monster trucks. We've got the fun fair thing there.
Going to all that later.
And then this is the actual monster trucks you can ride on. So adult and child, £10 on these little mini ones. Don't know how much it is for these big ones. Probably 20 quid, I don't know. We may or may not go on that later. They used to actually drive over cars, but they don't do that now. And this is the back of the grandstands. Right, carry on. So loads of merch to get. Fun and cows. So the first race has started. We'll catch a shot of that in a minute. More merch. More food. But we're going to go over there. Hopefully get a decent seat. Alright, so we've just been in to the Kentigern Centre, which is just behind this lorry. So have something to eat, and that wasn't too bad, to be fair. We had 2 full English breakfasts, which came with toast and tea and coffee. And Theo had 3 bits of bacon and a sausage and a can of Coke, and it would come to less than 25 quid. That wasn't too bad. Now we're going to have a wander down into the paddock area, look at all the trucks as best we can. So obviously there's some in the main pits, which I'm not sure if we can get into this weekend. But there'll probably be a grid walk maybe at lunchtime. We'll have to have a look into that. And then we'll stay down here at the bottom of Paddock Hill Bend, and we will watch a bit of racing. Then we're going to come back up and have a go on the monster trucks and stuff, but we're still waiting for Michaela's friend Rachel to turn up. So we'll probably do that when they get in. So we're going to watch a bit of racing and look at some trucks down here.
Central Saxo. Yeah, one of these cars. Uncle Tom had one of them for his first car.
So all these little Saxos and things that are just going out now, they're all like the teenagers racing. So I think you can race them at about 14 or something. So that's a really good way of getting into motorsport at a really early age, just by getting a little Peugeot or a Citroen. And the little cross on the back, the little black cross, means they are novice racers. Rookies, basically. They've got more than just trucks on here today, obviously. Obviously the fireworks are later. But trucks, cars, all sorts of things. How much your tickets were?
£29.
£29 per adult, kids free. So it's not
13.
Under 13. So under 13s are free, and adults are £29. That's just a general admission ticket. Obviously you pay extra to go in the stands and things.
Just about 13 quid.
Oh, is it? Okay, so teenagers £13. But I think that's quite a good, it's not expensive for a day out, especially when you can get right up close as well. You're not just sat around. Let's have a quick look inside. But they still have to have dummy fifth wheel. So they're almost like a mid-engine car now, so see the engine should be underneath the cab, but they have it mounted directly behind the cab, so it's weight distribution.
Oh, we're on your
Yeah, we're getting a free bag. I'll take a free bag. Thank you. Charles, thank you. Free merch.
Wanna go?
Oh, we're going to play a game now. She's not very good. Twist it. Oh, you got to twist it. Look, you got to twist it like this when you go round. Twist it like that.
Yeah, you didn't do very well, did you? Go on then, Theo.
Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. You got to twist it.
In fairness, we've had about 5 people actually do this this year.
Oh, well, game
That
on.
sounds like a challenge, yeah.
Game on.
Right, okay, Theo, you're not doing very
Huh?
well.
Got to
One of them did it.
be in the first go.
Right,
Right.
go on then.
Oh. Two.
Yeah, you can have it fresh for one.
Okay.
You need to do it two hands.
Mummy can have a go.
My turn after.
Ah. I was trying to do it one.
It's really hard to do
Oh.
one-handed.
Yeah, right, okay. I might have another go then with two hands.
Then we get 3. Then we do
Oh, my bag fell off. Forgot me.
Oh.
Okay, my turn.
Hard.
Wait, why does it not count for this?
Because that's got rubber, that's why it doesn't. Yeah. Right, let Jason have another go because he wants to go. 10. Oh, almost
So
One more go.
Come on,
fun.
Jason.
Right, let's have a quick go.
Oh, Jason.
Oh.
Oh. 2 more.
No, can't do that. Give up.
Right, that's it now, Theo. Let's go. Let's
I
go.
don't give up. One
No,
more
no, we've
time.
got another people waiting.
That was difficult. I even pretended I had Parkinson's. My dad had Parkinson's, you know, so it's not beyond the realms of possibility. But I couldn't even do it. Couldn't even do it then. What are they doing over here?
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? That?
So we got some merch now from Napa.
Different cup.
Yeah, and you got a blue cup, and I've got a white cup and some air fresheners. Oh, is it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, that's. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We should. Oh no, we need to get. We need to get another blue cup or something.
Theo, go and get another blue cup.
Yeah. And nothing,
Mummy, I want to get
unfortunately.
wet. Mummy, I want to get wet.
Don't want to. No, that's a sprinkler.
Oh, gearbox. Gearbox and clutch, I'm guessing out of that. Oh, stickers, more stickers.
So thank you.
Put that in your bag.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, good, isn't it, Theo, being a
Oh, okay. Well, I probably don't need it. One will be enough.
This system, that system.
See this one, Theo? It's got a dinosaur on it, or a crocodile.
I think we just lost Mummy.
She's over there, look. Oh, look, got a sticker. Oh, signed an autograph. Well done, thank you. That's the driver's autograph on there, Theo.
The driver's autograph.
Yeah.
Mummy, I just got a giant sticker.
Oh, I'm going to get another one as well.
So thank you.
Thank you.
I'll get you a better bag.
Oh,
Yeah, look, he's gonna
even
get you
better.
a better bag.
Perfect. Got more merch.
in Ireland, so we went, right. So we found it, between the pair of us, found a number on the internet.
Go in and have a look around.
All right, thank you. Well, we're going to go and have a look round. Coming in, so we can have a look round. Okay.
Yeah, we've got race buyers. So I run about 7 race buyers in the wet conditions, we've got the rears down to about the bar, then there's half on the brake. We've also got water, we spray water on the brakes to keep them from when you're trying to set 5.5
Done it.
mile an hour, gets in the brake distance blown in.
Got a proper bag.
Oh my God, that is an amazing. Let's
Turn
have a look at
around.
your bag. Oh my God, that's an amazing bag. I want one. Right, so this is a Lotus. Do you know what it stands for? Lots of trouble, usually serious. That's what that stands for.
Who also got a good start with Josh Salvadori. Brilliant start from him. It's going to be Wolf Butler that leads the charge up towards Paddock Hill Bend for the first time, with Oliver Kerr there in second position. Louis the Oxford is there in third place. Fourth place is Matthew Swanton. And Josh Salvadori made his intentions clear when the lights went out. Alan, brilliant start. He's up to fifth. Yeah, and
So they're the ones where we just saw in the paddock there. So they're between 14 and 17 years old, these people driving these.
Really good. Already set the fastest lap on this lap of the race. They would then be tied on points. So Josh has dropped back a little bit in third place. They turn through the left-hander at Granville Bend and accelerate down the Cooper Straight. And this is for the final time. It's Butler, it's Kerr, it's Salvadori. 18 seconds left on the clock. The checker flag is being prepared.
So they've opened up this little infield bit. They've opened up that bridge, which you never used to be able to get across before. So now you can stand in the middle
No, you see back over to
of Druids. So Druids is just at the top there. And you can watch them come up and down from here, which is a pretty good viewing spot. So we're going to wait here for the truck racing to start, which is about 20 minutes or so. But this is not too bad a view. Never been in this bit before.
Okay, today we are going to be watching some truck racing and we're at Brands Hatch. So if you didn't know what the track looks like, I'll just show you. There's going to be trucks on that track. So, as you might have noticed, you can see a spinny ride. That is a ride that is not acceptable for me to go on. Because look how high it goes. Like and subscribe. Bye.
So that's just the formation lap to the grid, and then they're going to start racing in a second, and they've all got back to the start line. So we'll have a wander back over to there. We'll have a wander back over. Lights out and away we go. thinks about it. He's more interested in climbing trees. So that's the end of that race. So now, oh, here we go. I think we did earlier on, didn't we? Right, so that's the end of that race. Oh, more drifting. That's the end of that race. It's going to be the lunchtime parade thing now, and then we're going to go monster trucking, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm going to go meet my friend Rachel.
Yes.
By the looks of these vans, I think they have changed the plate, mate. They're all different models. Oh, if you can get to take them off. No, that's the thing. If the police see you with any sort of lights on the road.
Alright, so I think we're now going on the fun fair ride here. Escape from Alcatraz. Alright, so we escaped from Alcatraz. We did that ride. And now we're going back. Well, there's racing started already. Now this is young Theo getting in the monster truck. This is his first outing in a monster truck, but his second outing this month, or in the last few weeks. He won the quad bike race in Cornwall, and now he's going to go monster trucking in Kent at the world famous Branjack circuit. Off he goes. He's in Podzilla, and there he is. Full throttle now down the back straight, these new sunglasses on, over the first ramp, oh, safely over that, off he goes. down the back straight into the sharp right hand hairpin at the end. He's not backed off, he's full throttle. Now he's coming down the home straight back towards the pit area, and he's going to be chased by Travis, the young 4-year-old from Faversham. Can he lap? Can he overtake him? There goes Travis, there goes Theo. Travis is in the much more powerful Grim Reaper. Can he overtake him? Can he keep in front? It's neck and neck. Nail biting stuff this. Don't move off your sofas. Swamp Things doing their own thing. There we go, Grim Reaper. Round the hairpin bend. He's got his tongue out. That means he's concentrating like mad. Oh, he's off the racing line, which means Theo's can catch up. Travis is safely over the ramp. Theo's safely over too. At the moment, Theo's unable to make any gain on Travis. Oh, got a newcomer in the mix. Big Pete's now entered the track. I think Travis's mum's enjoying it more than Travis is. Theo's coming up the inside. Theo's going to take him on the inside. Can he outbrake him at the hairpin bend? Oh, it's necking. Oh, they've crashed. They've crashed. They've crashed. Oh my God, there's a horrendous crash. We'll have to have a steward's inquiry afterwards on that. We'll have to watch the replay later to see who's at fault. I think one of them's going to get a 10-second penalty there. It's all to play for still. Travis has now got the bit between his teeth. He's hunting Theo down. Theo's taking these corners very tight. He's almost got it on 2 wheels coming round there now. There's a look of determination on his face. Oh, Travis has decided to go a slightly different route there. Oh, and he's also decided not to hold the steering wheel. So he's doing his own thing. If it works for him, who's to say it's wrong? Oh, and he's decided to go past the ramp altogether, so there's going to be, I think there's going to be some argy-bargy at the corner. Big Pete's about to try and overtake the Grim Reaper now. Swamp Things back in the race. Oh, and Theo is done. He's going in. Pit stop for Theo. Pit stop for Theo. Theo's race is run. Grim Reaper's got one more lap to do. Theo's only 4. Travis is only 4. Theo's 6. Look at that. That is the look of the champion with his shades on. Not a care in the world. He's now mastered quad bikes and mini trucks, mini monster trucks. Travis is on his last lap now, coming down that home straight towards the pits. He's going to be called in. There's going to be a steward's inquiry into the crash they had. Who was at fault there? I'll decide. Who was at fault there then, Theo? Who do you think? Do you think that Travis should get a 10-second time penalty for that crash at this hairpin bend?
Yeah, because he wasn't looking, we undertook him.
Yeah, is that what you think? Is it from the driver? So you've got your driving licence there. Let's have a look at your driving licence quick. Oh yeah, exactly. So do you think Travis deserves a 10-second time penalty?
Yeah, he does, because he crashed into us, didn't he?
Look, there we go. So we're going to see if these two, we're going to see what they say. Let's wait for Travis to come back and see what he's got to say about this crash that you had at the hairpin.
Give it to him.
So Travis, who was to blame for the crash? Was it you or was it Theo?
It was you.
Which one deserves the time penalty?
You.
Which one is it?
Him.
Which one's Verstappen and which one is Hamilton? The two of you.
We're Hamilton.
You're Hamilton. You're Verstappen. That's it. It was him. It was his fault. Well, yeah. Well, the stewards are going to fight it out. And with that, back to Michaela in the studio.
Gets going, and there should be no overtaking until they come out to the start-finish line, which I think is largely the case. So he's stationary in the pit lane at this stage. He's evaporate before he's back to the stewards on them.
while. That's been there for a few races today. They've just recovered that. Another casualty from today. So, don't know if you can see that, but these are all people's phone lights on now over everyone round. No one. Yeah, it is. But they're all over there as well. Sparklers! So, fireworks are done, but you can see the amount of people still about. There's no way you're going to let out the car park if you're in a hurry. It's pointless, so you might as well stay, soak up the atmosphere, everything else, because there's just literally, you're going to be sat in the car park for hours. So let everyone go home. My glove up on it, it's freezing. So let everyone go home, or try and go home, and then you just stay and enjoy the fun fair, buy some candy floss, go on the Dodgems. Right, we're going to enjoy the fun fair. See you next time. Right, she's got 6 balls, £7. She's got to get 2 in, 2 in. Huh?
Free to get the big prize.
Oh, free to get the big prize up there.
No, these are 4 then.
Oh, okay.
3 of these ones.
Okay. Here we go. Yay, 1. Two, yay! Oh! Oh, anything on the bottom.
Oh, what do we want? What do we want?
What do you want? What
I
do you
feel like I
want?
want a monkey.
Monkey then.
Can I have a blue monkey, please? Yeah, I don't like the pugs. I'm not a fan of the pugs.
Hey!
Thank you very much.
Yeah, there you go, blue monkey. Everyone's a winner. Everyone's a winner. So this is why people don't leave early. Well, look at it. This is all cars trying to get out of, I think, pretty much 1 or 2 exits. So, and it's proper slippy as well underfoot. So, if you've got a front wheel drive car and you try and take a shortcut, you're going to get stuck, or rear wheel drive car, then a 2 wheel drive car. you're going to get stuck potentially. We've already seen someone get stuck trying to take a shortcut. So you have really got to go by these, well, for want of a better word, roads, because they are just muddy tracks, but at least got some
I
grip.
reckon if we left straight away like we normally do,
But
we think we have to done the same thing. Oh, we'll delay it then.
nah, well, yeah, but you'd have to leave straight away. Anyway, so everyone's trying to get out, so this is why you've got to pick your moment to get out, but just pretty much just you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait, there is no way around it. So we're gonna sit in a nice comfortable warm car for an hour probably, but it is what it is.